Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, guys, what the Bitcoin giving us here today in that candle, that's what I told you yesterday in the weekly. I told you there is a going up, but look at it here, what it's showing here, guys. Look at it, very clear. And also we are the only YouTube channel we give people to enter in Friday. Also we enter from here in Friday, guys, and we are going to it. But now what should you do? Here in the daily there is nothing. Everything is still very early for it. And here what I got, guys, look with me here in that zone, what we got. Where is that rejection happening, guys? In that yellow level, also we said yes or no. Look at it. It came the Bitcoin tail here, then it fall down to that one. Yes or no? And what did I told you in the last video? I told you, try to give you here a double bottom. Yes or no? If it's breaking here, it's going to go maybe till here, guys, till that zone here. Should you buy now? No, my friend. Here in the daily, it's still very early. It might from here, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down very sharply down. Because today is Monday, guys. And Monday also, we said every time the Bitcoin doing against what is going to do all the whole week, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see our indicators, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a channel we put in every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about the Bitcoin, what it's doing, guys. It's very simple. A red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's going to see our indicators, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. As you see, our indicator, guys, what it done here, same W. We show you in the chart. Is it here? Yes or no? The only thing here it's showing, it's break it. But the daily candle, it hasn't finished it. It might from here, it's going to fall down. Because last time, it came tail down here. Then when the daily candle finished it finished just here in that zone. Same thing now. Also, we still the daily candle going. That was me. I'm trying to show you like that. Because those ones, oscillators, guys, they just following the price. So now, it's showing it's enter here. And in that zone, both of them, buyers and sellers, they are equal, guys. So from here, maybe we're going to go till here, then you're going to see a big drop, or it's going to come here and to break in for us, and that one is going to be the best scenario happening for Bitcoin, guys. Because me, personally, I believe there is a big dip going to happen before the runway to the upside, guys. Because the history is repeating itself. Because if people they been in 2016 or 2018, the Bitcoin it used to do the same thing now it's doing at 6K. Then it dropped, a big drop till 3,000. Then after that, the big pushing up, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. This smash the like button. Go ahead and do it. Helping us. You know that channel without you guys, it can't growing up. So please helping us by just liking the video or writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Let's go in now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, where we are, still in the same level, guys. Yes or no? We are at the oversold area. Should we buy? What did I told you about the indicators? I told you they are just oscillators. It just warn you, use them as a filter, not to base your trading on them. Anyone he bases his trading on indicators, he always losing his money. There is no one trading just because of indicators, he making money, my friend. Remember that. The price action, where is it? Look with me here. What you got here? A very clear triangle. Did we break it the high? Not yet. It need to come to break for us high here. And me, I told you. Let me show it to you, that one. For the picture to be more clear to you guys. Look here, guys, what happened here. Here in that zone, that one is the same like that one, guys. Same. What happened here? The Bitcoin, it move up a little bit. Then after that, a big drop. So the same thing I think is going to happen. It's going to move a little bit higher. Then a big drop is going to happen. Then after that, you're going to see it going higher. Because that the market makers, guys. That wave, that one, we call it the wave of market makers. It's always doing like that. Boom, down. Then after that, going up. That one, they push it down for people to think it's going to go to zero. And then they are going to sell, guys. Same thing is going to happen. Look at it. Look at that pattern me I show you. you, that one. It go up, it came down, then after that a big going up. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, if you remember, people, they been with us. Where else we enter long? We enter because we used to have here a channel and it's getting broken. Here, yes or no? We enter from here, us. Where did we put stop loss? We put it down here. Bitcoin, it came down till here. Look what it's doing here. What that candle here, it's showing you, guys. By the way, it's left for it near to 1 hour. That red candle, that one. It's showing to you that a big pin bar. And look at the volume down. What it's showing you. So the people they enter with us here started taking some profit, guys. And try to move the stop loss higher and higher. Or you can even close it now because now you are in profit, guys. Because it might, from here, you're going to see a big drop, guys. Bitcoin here, he tried to give us here a cup and handle and I tell it to you when we used to be here. At that level here. Look at that. It tried to give you here a cup and handle. Did it breaking? Not yet, my friend. Where is the high? Is here. Look at that. It came till here, but he couldn't go higher more than that. Yes, it's breaking for us the 200 moving average here, but there is no power to push more higher, guys. The only thing down here is the sellers. They are very big, guys. Yes or no? Now what should you do, my friend? Take some of the profit and try to protect yourself. Move the stop loss here or something, because now you are in profit. Take some of the profit. If that candle break down the 200 moving average, close everything, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's go now to see our indicators, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying? It's breaking here. Also, we enter, by the way, from that one here. When it's breaking here in that zone, then he went down till here. He couldn't stay down. Now he go back up here, as you see it. And now it's showing a rejection, guys. But what it's telling you, look at it. It give you here a high and here another high. Yes or no? That's a smaller trend. 30 minutes or something. But the long term, where is the high? Is here. The low is here. It's need now to come to give us another high, guys. Yes or no? Everything is very simple, guys. There is nothing to be complicated about or something. Bitcoin, it will go till here, guys. Till the overbought area, guys. And after that, you're going to see a big drop, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. And we're going to see if we're going to close that trade we got open or no. Here it is, our indicator, guys. Also, we enter because here we used to be at the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? And look here at that cup and handle I told you. It's very, very clear now. It's not complete yet, but we need to wait in that candle, which is going now, how it's going to end up. If it end up green, that's why the Bitcoin is still going up higher, guys. If it's not, it's going to fall down. And where we are us now in the Bitcoin here. Look here. I'll show you that one thousands of times, guys. You are in the top of that triangle, guys. You are in the top of it. You are in a very, very criteria moment, guys. It might from here to break here. You're going to see the Bitcoin going till here. I'll show you all those things before, but it's okay. I know some people, they just came. Or tell here, guys, that the first target, second target is here. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what should you do to that order you have? Don't do nothing because you are in the middle, guys. It might from here to fall down to the oversold, not a part of trading, guys. And it might from here to go up till the overbought and we will take some profit, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. There is nothing very complicated and some people they make a trading very complicated for you. You get the picture, guys? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there. By the way, I know you don't smash the like button. Go ahead and do it, my friend. Helping us. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel without you can growing up, guys? Yes, without you. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Last time, us we enter from here. If you remember, from here. We used to have here a flag here in that zone. When it's breaking, we enter long. Yes or no? Last time I told you take some profit here in that zone here. Look now till where it came. Till here, guys. And we are in the top of 200 moving average, guys. Yes or no? Should you buy? Should you sell? No, my friend, not yet. Last video, what did I told you got here? About that price action you got here, guys. A triangle, it's breaking here, guys. Take profit now. Is it here at that one here? So I think that one is going to go higher till here, guys. Till that zone here. And that one is going to be the best scenario of the Bitcoin happening, guys. For short, look with me. From here, from that zone here, you're going to come and you draw it like that. A trend line, guys, like that. Like that. So when the Bitcoin, it fall down and breaking here, guys, you enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Yes. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, what it's saying. We are here at the overbought area, guys. Yes or no? When we are at the overbought area, we forget about buying. We just try to enter in a short position. Where is the price action we got? Is that one, guys. Look at it. That one is the price action we have. Yes or no? So now if the Bitcoin came and breaking for us down and break the 200 moving average here in 30 minutes, we will enter short. If it came higher, breaking for us that level here, we will enter long, guys. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.